Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can log in into the account of yours in the Booking.com application. So first, you need to open the application that you have installed in. Now you are at the current home page or the search page of the application. There you need to tap on the sign in option that is available at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. There you need to tap on sign in. Now to sign in, you can sign in with your email address, Google or your Facebook account. If you click on sign in with email, you will need to provide your login details of email and password. If you sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook, you will be able to log in with just one tap. This is only possible if you have linked your Booking.com account with the Google or your Facebook. So here we are going to go through the email process. Tap on sign in with email, provide your email address, tap on continue, provide your password, and then tap on sign in. And just with providing the account credential, you have logged in into your account of Booking.com. So this is how you can log in into your account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.